Here I have Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly you have to open contacts list, then select contact which you want to add photo, tap on this eye icon, then tap edit, then tap on the camera icon, then select if you want to open camera and add photo, or you want to open gallery and select photo. Allow, then select photo which you want to add. Here you can adjust it, and then tap done, and then save. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.